Hi everyone, welcome back to TenoShare. AirDrop is a great way to share files and photos between Apple devices wirelessly. But this is not a perfect function. After updating to iOS 17, many users have reported issues with AirDrop, such as the inability to detect nearby devices, failed transfers and slow transfer speeds, and AirDrop notifications not showing up. No worries, I've found some simple ways to fix it. So let's dive in. Method 1. Check AirDrop status. Usually when someone complains that the AirDrop is not working, he or she may probably forget to turn on the AirDrop button. To do this, open the control center and tap and hold on to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. Then, tap on AirDrop and make sure it is set to either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes. It should be noted that the everyone status will expire after 10 minutes. Now let's try again. Now that both of my devices are running iOS 17, click AirDrop and then bring the two phones close to each other. Boom! Photos will be sent immediately. So convenient. Method 2. Check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Needless to say, AirDrop uses both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to function. So make sure you have turned Bluetooth on, and also the device you're sending to should be nearby and within Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range. If not, you can reset your network settings to default and try again. Tap General, Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. After your iPhone reboots, re-enter the Wi-Fi password and try AirDrop again. Method 3. Force restart both devices. A simple restart can sometimes fix minor software glitches. Let's force restart both your iPhone and the device you are trying to AirDrop with. For iPhone 15, volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Then check out whether AirDrop is available or not this time. Method 4. Check AirDrop compatibility. The AirDrop proximity saving feature supports only iPhone 10 or iPhone XS or later. So make sure both the devices are fully compatible for this new feature feat. In addition, if both the devices are running iOS 17, go to General and tap on AirDrop. Now check if the Bringing Devices Together button has been turned on. Method 5. Re-sign into your iCloud account on your iPhone. Go to Settings and Username. Scroll down to Sign Out. Enter your account password. Then sign in again to see if the issue is fixed. Method 6. Use iCareFone. If you have this issue between your iPhone and Mac, I strongly recommend you use iCareFone as an alternative. Just connect your iPhone to the Mac and launch iCareFone. I have left the download in the description below if you are interested. Then click Manage. Select the photo you need to transfer. You can choose all or just some of them. What's more, you can decide on which format you like to export. Then click Next. Your photo will be sent to your Mac instantly. Super easy and super cool. So that's all for today. Hope this video is helpful to you. I will be grateful if you subscribe. See you next time.